Hello guys, my name is Eden and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to unbox and show you new addition to my growing Hello Kitty Funko Pop collection, which is the Kaiju series from Amazon. I pre-ordered these last August and they arrived on the release date, which is 23rd of September. I just didn't have the chance to open it because I got busy with some other things. Be careful when you're cutting the box because you might be slicing the content already. So here they are. I'm just a happy kid right now. So excited to open each of them. Okay, so let's take them out one by one and arrange according to numbers. And then I'm gonna open it and show you the details. Okay guys, so let's start with the first one, the number 40 in the Hello Kitty Funko Pop Kaiju series, the land. So you see the details. They're really nice. I love this series, the Kaiju series, because they are very colorful and they're bigger than the actual Funko Pop size. So that's the land. Number 40. So that's the box. Okay, next the number 41, the C. So that's the box. Nothing fancy. And let me show you this is like a shokoi. So there you go, the back. With the purple bow. Right, so that's 41 right there. And the 42 is the space. Hello Kitty space in the Kaiju series. So that's a box. And I like this very smooth back. So with the red bow, and it's like a robotic look. Nice. Okay, the next one is, I think this is my favorite in the Kaiju series. This is the Sky. Hello Kitty Sky, number 43. So that's a box, and look at the colors. So it has pink bow, green, with the like a butterfly wings. Love it. So this is my favorite. And the last one is the Mecha. So that's a box. Number 44. So in purple bow with like a mustache. And there you go. So there you go, guys, the Kaiju series Hello Kitty Funko Pop collection. Let's take a closer look once again, one by one. So the Mecha, Sky, Space, Sea, and Land. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me which one is your favorite by leaving a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my next video. Stay safe, be kind, and spread the love. Bye!